YouTube, what's up, man? It's your boy Young Rich 419 back with another video. Hey, man, you see what I'm at right now? I'm in the garage. You know what I mean? In the garage. Yes, sir. And I'm in right next to the SRT, man. And we blew the engine, man. That's right, man. We blew the engine, man. Out here racing. You wanna know what I was racing, man? A motherfucking Hellcat, man. Blew the engine racing the Hellcat, man. So, man, before I even get further in this video, y'all like, share, subscribe, man, and let's get to it. Just let y'all know, I didn't blow my engine, man. I ain't blowing it all, man. But you see, I got everything apart. Got the belt off, air intake off, you know what I'm saying? It's cold out here, got my heater running, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? Feeling real warm. But right now, like I said on a previous video, we got a little squeaking issues, man. So took this tensioner the belt off, man. Tensioner the pulley off. Took that off already. We about to go to the store and cop that. We also took the idler pulley off, which is somewhere around here. Boom, right here. I'm spinning these. I'm spinning them. Ain't no real issues. I don't hear nothing. I'm looking at it on the side. And see if I can put this to the side right quick. I'm looking at it to the side, man. I'm looking to the side and I don't see it moving at all on both of these. So when I was spinning them, I'm spinning all these other ones, I don't hear no noise, man. So most likely, man, it could be just by how, because it doesn't do it all the time. What I'm gonna do is when the car gets super warm or if it's like super moist. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna get another belt, since I had this belt in this car for fucking like since I bought it back in 2011. I'm gonna get another belt and we're gonna just replace this first, because it might not be giving it enough tension or it might be giving it too much tension on here. So we're gonna replace this and we're gonna replace the new belt. I'm not gonna replace this yet because this is like clear. You can tell it's not worn out yet. There's no oil coming out of here yet. So we're gonna keep this and we're gonna go ahead and buy a new tensioner pulley, man. So I'm gonna head to the store right now. The tensioner pulley I want is kind of far away. It's a Dorman Duralast. Duralast costs $100. No, I need to call Riley to see how much theirs costs, but I don't want to travel all the way down, all the way about 20 minutes away for this when I got one right around the corner for $100. Also, another one right around the corner which I need to check. So I'm gonna check that. I'm gonna cut y'all back on once I get back here. Before we leave, let me do the cold start of the SRT, man. Gotta love it, man. Gotta love it, man. And why not do a cold start on the LTZ, man? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that motherfucker better be quiet. Yes, sir. Yeah, let me go ahead and head to the store. Alright, YouTube, we back, man. Went and got the tensioner pulley, man. You feel me? I do know this is definitely tighter. This is more loose. It's more loose, man. I did not get the idle pulley, man. It's alright. If the water pump goes out, which I know it is. I had this water pump on this car since I bought the car back in 2011. So obviously, if this go out, I'll just have my guy put this new one on. My bad. I'll buy a new one and then this motherfucker new, man. It's new, man. I ain't gonna say new, but it's not worn out or nothing, man. You can tell. This is still perfectly good condition. The belt's still in good condition. I mean, ain't no light. Let me put some light on this. The belt's still in good condition, you know what I'm saying? So this is definitely loose though, like super loose. This is tight, man. So hopefully this is the issue. I know for sure it ain't this. It ain't this. Could be this, but like my guy said, the water pump belt. My guy said, hey man, normally when this go bad, it's gonna start leaking. So hope that don't go bad, man. So we're gonna install this back on. You know, the hard part gonna be what's this called? The hard part gonna be putting this back on the belt. But yeah, you see my 90mm BBK throttle body. Yes, sir. You go ahead and get this installed, man. And then we're gonna get this mag running. I gotta clean it down. Alright, YouTube. Got everything installed, you know what I'm saying? You feel me? See how that bright and shiny brand new? You feel me? Yes, sir. Took a minute. The hardest part was actually getting the ratchet down here, in between here, because it's up against that motor right here. So basically, once I turned it, that's when I got clearance. So that was probably the hardest part against this radiator fan. Had to push it back some, hold it. Yeah, got that cleaned up. I'm feeling extra warm out here, man. Thank God I bought that, man. I should have bought that years ago. But I'm just probably just spraying up some stuff. Really right now, spraying up some stuff, getting ready to throw the air intake back on. You feel me? Just trying to clean up some stuff. So I remember this was actually splashed from the coolant because I didn't tighten his bolt down here, so it was slowly leak. But that was back before I changed this though. But it would leak on the belt, and the belt would throw the coolant everywhere. And I was wondering from fucking like weeks, like where is all this white stuff coming from? It's the coolant, you feel me? So I'm just wiping all this stuff down, you know what I'm saying? Tightening it up, you feel me? But yeah, man, we gonna install all this back on and see if this solves my issue. If it doesn't solve the issue, it's probably almost guaranteed it's not this. I'll change it next, but I'm pretty sure it's not that. I'm pretty sure it's this motherfucking water pump. My dude said, hey man, the water pump, blah, 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 blah. It's not the alternator. I know that's a brand new alternator, not saying that bearings can't go bad, but that's a new alternator I put on last year, probably like 6 months ago, so. We'll see, but I have to turn on, let it run for a while, even though I solved the issue, man. So I'm gonna put the air intake back on, and I guess I'll cut y'all back on if I fix my issue or not. Everything is installed. Ain't started up yet, but we gonna start it up, man. Let me get this toolbox up here right quick. Alright, we're gonna get this in. We got it installed. We're gonna do the startup. Shit. It'd be funny, it starts squeaking. If it was squeaking worse than this. Alright, man. 92,000 miles. All right, here we go. Funny the belt flow. Funny the belt flew off, bro. Go look at it. All right. Belt looks smooth. Obviously, like I said right now, it never really did it at the start of the car, man. So really ain't do it until our car got warmed up. So belt looking smooth, no wobbles or wiggles. So yeah, we'll see, man. So I installed it. YouTube had to see how it come out, man. I'm gonna let this motherfucker warm up, man. If I cut it back on, that means don't cut it back on. It's fixed, man. So Young Rich 419, like, share, subscribe, man. We do our own work over here. But if that water pump go out, that bitch going to the shop. He ain't happy with that, man. So Young Rich 419, man, cause I did a water pump before, man. It took forever, and I messed up a bolt on a 2011 RT Charger, man. So that middle bolt I messed up, I stripped it. Luckily, the car was gone within a year after that, so it wasn't no leak. So, but not doing a water pump again. But like I said, Young Rich 419, like, share, subscribe. See me out here, man. See the whips, man. Yeah, man. Can't wait to put the frame on that, the cradle, front cradle on that, man. Can't wait to do a tune on this motherfucker, man. Got some accessories I want to throw in this car, man, and I want to throw in a pilot too, man. But that's another video. I'm probably gonna explain that, man. So Young Rich 419, man. Peace. All right, YouTube, went to the store and grabbed the pulley, man. I should just went and grabbed it anyway. It was only 24 bucks, man. You know what I'm saying? The one that actually, auto parts store I did go to didn't have one because I was gonna grab it from there. But I said, fuck it, I just drove straight home and put it back on. So we'll see, man. This was wobbling a tad bit. You're gonna see when we put this on, man. So I really think it's the water pump though. Inside bearing, man. So we'll see, man. Cut you back on after this. All right, we installed it back. About to cut the car on, man. And we'll see, man. It's most likely, man, guaranteed probably the water pump, man. I hope this does solve the issue. You know what I'm saying? If it don't, oh well. Cause I ain't changing the water pump no time soon. Cause it's January 1st. And we get snow up here, so this ain't getting changed until this ain't gonna get changed until what, maybe March, April, maybe, you know what I'm saying? So either way, it is what it is. There it goes. Now the car should be still warm. It's still warm, my hand's still warm. We'll see, man. You know what? pulley ain't moving. This pulley was wobbling a little bit. Might have been the pulley, man. This car warm, so it should be making that same noise right now, man. I'm gonna pause the video and let it run for about another 5-10 minutes, and we can see if we solve the issue. Yeah, man, we solved the issue, man. I let it run for about 10 minutes. We good. It was the idler pulley, but we got a new serpentine pulley as well. My bad, tension pulley as well, and we good, man. All in a day's work. I was lazy to stop at the store and go pick it up, and it's only like 3 blocks from the crib, man. But I had to go way south to pick up the tension pulley, and that was $60. And when everybody else tried to charge me $100, so I had to go get that had to get that dormant pulley. I ain't with that Duralast, not for $100. They all the same shit anyway. But yeah, man, y'all like, share, subscribe, man. You working, man. You working, man. Young Rich 419. Peace.
Young Nab, baby.